How to play. 1. There are 15 questions. Attempt to answer each one before the timer runs out. 2. The answer to each question is displayed with a little trivial information. 3. You can also pause the video if you need more time to read the Did You Know section. Ready? Let's begin. Round 1. Which event is commonly considered the spark that started World War I? The answer 1. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Round 2. When did World War I begin? The answer 1. 1914. Round 3. Which countries made up the Triple Entente? The answer 1. France, Russia, and United Kingdom. Round 4. Who was the President of the United States during World War I? The answer 2. Woodrow Wilson. Round 5. What 1919 treaty brought World War I to an official end? The answer 1. Treaty of Versailles. Round 6. Which country switched sides from the Central Powers to the Allies in 1915? The answer 1. Italy. Round 7. What major battle in 1916 saw the heaviest single-day casualties in World War I? The answer 2. Battle of the Somme. Round 8. The Zimmermann telegram was sent from Germany to which country? The answer 2. Mexico. Round 9. Who was the Kaiser of Germany during World War I? The answer is 1. Wilhelm II. Round 10. Which 1917 event led to Russia's withdrawal from World War I? The answer 2. The Russian Revolution. Round 11. Which empire was dismantled as a result of the Treaty of Sevres in 1920? The answer 1. The Ottoman Empire. Round 12. Which World War I battle was known for the massive use of poison gas? The answer 1. Battle of Ypres. Round 13. Which technology was significantly developed and first widely used during World War I? The answer 2. Tanks. Round 14. What was the primary form of warfare used on the Western Front? The answer 1. Trench warfare. Round 15. Which year did the United States enter World War I? The answer 2. 1917. Thank you for playing. How did you do on the quiz? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe.